We'll guide you through how to create a Figma design. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Figma website on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard where you can manage all your projects. Click on the Create button, then choose Design to start a fresh project. This will open a blank canvas where you can unleash your creativity. On the left panel, you'll notice a Layers section where you can manage all the elements of your design. It's crucial to keep this organized as your project develops. Now, focus on the bottom toolbar. You'll find tools to add shapes, text, and images. Click on the Shape tool to add basic elements like rectangles or circles to your design. You can resize and reposition these elements by simply dragging them. For text, select the Text tool and click anywhere on your canvas to start typing. You can customize font, size, and color in the right panel. If you need to import images, just drag and drop them directly onto your canvas, or use the Place Image option under the File menu. Figma's Components feature is super handy for creating reusable elements. To create a component, select an element and right-click to choose Create Component. This lets you maintain consistency throughout your design. Don't forget to frequently check your design with the Preview option to see how it looks in real time. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can share it with collaborators by clicking the Share button at the top right and setting the appropriate permissions. This allows others to view or edit your work, depending on the access you provide. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.